Wanna know how to pull out your cushions easily and clean inside? No more delay, let's get straight into the process. So first, to clean and remove the cushions, you can use some disassembly tools if you have them, but if you don't, just use any card or credit card. So just hold the cushion edge and gently pull it away from the headphones housing. It's held by plastic clips, so do it slowly and don't twist. You will see it detaches nicely. Don't pull everything or touch any important parts you don't need to. Just use a soft brush to remove surface dust, then use a soft blur to clean out any deeper dust. Now clean the other ear cup the same way. Now you have to finally clean the cushion itself using an alcohol pad or a wet cloth. And you can also use the brush again to clean the soft parts. Now wait until everything is fully dried. Now you have to reattach the cushion to the headphones. Now press firmly around the edge until it snaps in securely. You will hear a click when it attaches properly. And that's it. That's how you can clean your cushion pads and keep your headphones fresh and properly maintained. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.